lovelies, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Henry, back again with a new video. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing. This is a channel where we do everything and anything positive. And if you're a returning subscriber, by now you know you are always my best friend. And welcome to today's video. So guys, here I have a package from Smart Lady Homes. These are the throw covers. Let me show you how they look like. I had only opened one. Here it's one. It has a blue print. It's white and the cover material is canvas. You can see, guys, I don't know if you can see from the screen. This is how the covers look like. The material is so heavy and so durable. So that's the first one. Let me show you very quickly. So I got two of that. So this is the other one. This is the other print. Should I open it? This is the other print. Here. Two of them. Then this. This is the other one. Still two of them. And then I got this and this. So those are the throw pillows from Smart Lady Homes. I'm trying to bring together my home because we are already in a new home and we are going to be going this journey together. So turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. I don't want to leave yourself. Went for curtain shopping in Eastleigh, and guys, as you all know, moving houses always calls on for new curtains. For instance, now we have two windows in our living room, and in the previous house we had only one. In our master bedroom we also have two windows, which all calls for new curtains and also large curtains because we have large windows in the current house. By the people will always hype up that curtains are cheap in Eastleigh, and guys, curtains are never cheap even in Eastleigh. Only that in Eastleigh we have a variety of curtains to choose from. Get it from me, curtains are not cheap. Where? You have to dig deep your pocket for good curtains and the gathers that you need for your curtains, because the size also matters for the curtain. Wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me. So these are the prints that I got from my living room. I got two of them. And guys, sorry that I'm filming against light. They are too much light. Probably you can't see it quite well, but this is the print. A million years from now, the seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. For the master bedroom, we also have two windows. We also got two curtains for that. We got a gray in color that has these details. For the kitchen window, I got a double sheer which has very tiny details which are still white. You can't see from the camera. We also did some light fixing. This is the light that was going to the dining area. Guys, wait for it to be fixed so that you can see how it turned out. It turned out so very cute.
TV bado dogo hapo.
It also has a different shade of lights. It has 3 lights. It has the white one, warm one and the other one, which I can't remember the name.
Million years from now, the seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky.
These are our wall brackets that we chose. They are also in different shades of light. They have the warm, the light, etc. So these are the lights that we fixed in the other areas of the living room. This living room can be divided into two, into a TV area and also a family area, because the room is so huge and it can accommodate the two parts. This is the following day, guys, and we called in the Wi-Fi guys so that they would fix us the Wi-Fi and continue enjoying the internet.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day.
This place is a bit cold. I don't know if it's because of the big space, but we are feeling a bit cold than the previous house that we were in. And also, guys, we have a newborn, so we decided that we have to buy a heater to help us warm the room and keep us warm to prevent us from feeling cold.
We met, I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you still want me, I hope you.
We also had to change our mattress. For a while now, I've been having a back issue, and now it was time to change the mattress now that we have moved into the new home. And this is the mattress that we got, the orthopedic mattress that will help my back. The mattress is spring mattress, therefore it's not sinking and it will not sink, and it will help my back to be flat and to reduce the pain. And guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Until the next video, bye bye and take care of yourselves.
Keeps me high, keeps me